Hi, this is Arjun. I am very happy today. Yes, I am. Well, the reason behind my happiness is Arganlife. There was the time when I was going bald. I was about to leave hairs day by day. Then one of my friend, Mayank, told me about Arganlife hair care product and pure argan oil. I was so depressed that I gave it a shot and visited www.arganlifeproducts.com. Previously I asked him that is there any local store in India, but aren't any local store in India. Then I decided to order on www.arganlifeproducts.com website. The shipping service and the customer service of Arganlife company are perfect. It's simply awesome. I did all the details on website. I ordered and used it. Guys, you won't believe that in no time my hairs are strong and they are awesome now. They are back. Girls give me look these days. I'm really happy now. Thanks to www.arganlifeproducts.com.